Today we're gonna make a tuna sandwich. It's gonna be light, fluffy, and delicious. Get yourself some tuna. It doesn't matter if your tuna is in oil or in water. So once your tuna is completely drained, get out of the sift and throw it in the bowl. You just need about 1/5 of a cucumber, and you're gonna remove all these little seeds like that. Cut your cucumber in fours. Let's add the cucumbers. Here we're gonna take about 1/4 of a celery, 1/4 of the celery, 1 shallot, finely chop. Add 1 whole shallot. Here you have your cilantro. Just take off, I like just having the leaves. Since I'm putting this in a tuna sandwich, I don't want big stems. Chop it up. Throw in your cilantro, just lightly chop the dill. Throw in your dill. Squeeze in some lemon juice, make sure to catch those seeds. Put a tablespoon of mustard, some salt, some fresh ground pepper, a little bit of smoked paprika. And now here's my secret ingredient. This is a German pickled mayonnaise. Put in about 6 tablespoons. Now mix it all together. Get yourself some simple white bread. You only need to spread the tuna on one of the slices. Okay, put a little piece of lettuce. There you have it, a nice refreshing tuna salad. Let's have a bite together. Absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this recipe, please check out my other great videos, and if you're new to this channel, please subscribe.